Hello all, welcome back to Athri Pathashala. I hope your IMO 25-26 exam went amazing. Today we are going to look back at the class 4 set C logical reasoning session. Whether you found it easy or a bit tricky, we will break down each question step by step so you can check your answers. So logical reasoning session. First question. In a queue of girls, the position of Bhavana is 9th from the beginning and 18th from the end. How many total girls are there in that queue? So here they have given 9th from the beginning. So from the beginning side, Bhavana is 9th one. And from the end side, she is 18th one. So first we have to find out total how many girls are there. So we know 9 plus 18 is 27. Here in this 27, we have included Bhavana from the beginning and also from the end. So we have to take Bhavana only from one side, either from the beginning or from the end. So that we have to subtract 1. So 27 minus 1, that is 26. Therefore option B is the correct answer. So let's go to second question. Select a figure from the option which is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its part. So if you check the answer B, and here these two figures are exactly embedded each other. Therefore, we can take option B as the correct answer. So, next go to question number 3. How many possible combination of one keyboards and one mouse each can be formed from the given keyboards and mouses? So for that we have to multiply. Here how many keyboards are there? So we have here 4 keyboards. And how many mouses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 mouses. So we have to multiply 4 into 5, that is 20. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Next go to next question, that is question number 4. Select a figure from the option which will complete the given figure pattern. So here the figure is given and this is the question. So in this side we have to draw 2 lines and which should be in the red color, and here the lines. Here M is given and here M is ulta, that looks like a W. In the same way here T is given, so we have to make it T ulta. So it exactly matches with option B. Therefore we can take option B as a correct answer. So let's go to next question, that is question number 5. Which of the following letters is or are made up of both straight lines and curved lines? So B here straight line is there and in this side curved line is there. In the option B, here P here straight line and this is curved line. And option C, here this is straight and this is straight, but here curved. So all the options have both straight lines and curved lines. Therefore we have to take all of these. Next go to next question. select the combination of numbers so that the letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful English word. So this is like coding. First we have to think from this SEHCWA which word we can make. So can we make cashew? CASHEW. So is this option is there? Let's you check. C means 4. A is 6. S is 1. H is 3. E is 2. W is 5. Yes, the cashew is a meaningful English letter. So 461 here also. No, here 46132 So we can take option D as a correct answer. Next, go to next question. Select the odd one out. So TQ, what is the relation between TQ, PM, LJ and VS? We have to check. So TQ, so Q, if you come this side, R, S and T. And here P and M, N, O and comes P. So T and Q, in between T and Q we have two letters, that is S and R. In the same way, between P and M there are two letters, O and N. Let's check this one. J, K, L. So here only one letter. Let's check this one. S, T, U and V. There are two letters. Here also two letters are there. Here also two letters are there. But LJ we will get only one letter. Therefore option C is the odd one. Let's go to next question. That is question number 8. The codes for some letters are given below. So here letters are given. For that they have given the code. What will be the code of trend? So trend. So T is there. For T we have plus sign. And R that is yet. And E is mathematical symbol. N is down arrow. And D is end. So which one represent this? That is option A. Therefore option A is the correct answer. Next, 9th question. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. So here figure is given. Its mirror image means we have to take, this is the picture. So here it should come green color and here green color and here circle is there. This side shade is there. So it will come this side and this side shade it will come here. And then lines it will come this side and this line it will come opposite side. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Next, 10th one. If Aman's sister's birthday falls on 9th day from 2nd Thursday of July 20. Then what will be the next day after her birthday? So first second Thursday. When is the second Thursday will come? So this is the first Thursday, third, and 10th is the second Thursday. So in this type of questions, when we have to go to take this ninth day, we have to include this day also, so that we have to start from 10th. So 10th day, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Aman's sister's birthday is 18th. 18th is the Aman's sister's birthday. So what is the question? Then what will be the next day after her birthday? So 18th next, that is 19th. So 19th July 20XX is the correct answer. That is option D is the correct answer. So this completes logical reasoning section. So check your answers. So in the next video we can discuss about mathematical reasoning. So if you thought this video is helpful, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.